Self-lender payment method declines usually happen because the linked bank account, debit card, or payment information cannot be verified or processed correctly. By the end of this video, you'll know the common reasons a self-lender payment fails and the steps to fix a declined payment method. Start by checking the payment information connected to your self account. A declined payment can happen when account details are outdated or no longer match your current banking information. If you recently changed banks, replaced a debit card, or updated your account information, update your payment method inside your self account before trying again. Check that your bank account has enough available funds for the scheduled payment. A payment can fail if the account does not have enough money available when self attempts to process it. Make sure your bank has not blocked the transaction. Some banks automatically decline certain online payments until you approve them through your banking app or by contacting your bank. If you are using a debit card, confirm that the card is active and has not expired. An expired or replaced card can cause automatic payments to fail. Try removing the declined payment method and adding it again. Re-entering the information can fix errors caused by incorrect account details. If your payment method continues to be declined, check your self account for any messages about the failed payment. These notices may explain whether the issue is related to verification, account access, or payment processing. Avoid making repeated payment attempts with incorrect information. Multiple failed attempts can create more delays while the payment system processes the requests. If none of these steps work, contact self-support with your account details and information about the declined payment. They can check the payment status and explain the next available option. The fastest fixes are usually updating your payment method, confirming your bank allows the transaction, and checking that your account information is correct. To recap, a declined self-payment method is usually connected to payment details, bank approval, or account verification. Update your information, confirm your bank details, and contact self-support if the issue continues. Your next step is to open your self account and review the payment method currently connected. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other finance app troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.